local judge is revealing to 7 News that undocumented people are occupying state behavioral health treatment beds in Maryland, even though they're eligible for release. And this is happening while there's a shortage of beds. It's a story that you're going to see only on 7 News.
Maryland Bureau Chief Brad Bell has been digging into the issue of a long waiting list for treatment. And he's learned not only are more than 100 people being kept, even though they are eligible for release, but the state has hired immigration attorneys to assist them.
7 News on your side has learned that across Maryland, more than 200 people who have been ordered into mental health treatment by judges are instead waiting in jails, often for months, in violation of state law, which requires placement within 10 business days. In a recent court hearing in Hagerstown, a state official revealing that there is a 215-person-long wait list for one of just 1,056 beds in the state's 5 behavioral health facilities. A Washington County judge actually ruling the state in contempt of court, not just because they don't have enough capacity, but because at that hearing it was revealed more than 140 people could be released to free up beds, but that many are being kept because they are undocumented and doctors feel they might not have access to care in the community if released. Attorney George Kirk represents a man with behavioral health issues and a developmental disability who has been sitting in jail for more than a month awaiting court-ordered treatment. He calls that information shocking.
We have laws in place that are meant to ensure that people who are found incompetent to stand trial are able to get the services that they need. And then you have what appears to be a policy decision by the Department of Health and Human Hygiene, State Department of Mental Health and Human Hygiene, saying that they are going to prioritize those who have basically already been treated over people who have been ordered into these facilities by law.
Now, at that hearing, it was also revealed that the State Department of Health has hired, at taxpayer expense, 4 immigration attorneys to work with those being held in state hospitals, even though they're eligible for release, because the doctors fear they won't get community services because they lack documentation. Well, the judge then, in this order, chastising the state for spending money on those lawyers rather than on increasing capacity. And I'll pick the story up there when we return at 6. In Upper Marlboro, Brad Bell, 7 News.